Namaste and welcome to day 2. Well, as yesterday's practice was gentle, short, today's practice will be a little add on from what we did yesterday. With that, let's get you seated on the mat. Relax your shoulders and chest, enjoying the amazing sounds of the ocean. Inhale, draw your shoulders all the way up, 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 up. Hold your breath as you stay there. Open your mouth and release the shoulder to side out. Two more times. Inhale, drawing your shoulders all the way up. Hold your breath. Don't leave it yet. Don't leave it yet. Keep holding the breath. Open your mouth inside out. One last time. Inhale, draw your shoulders all the way up and hold. Open your mouth inside out. Joining your palms at heart center. Let's chant Om sound after the next inhalation. Inhale. I'm grateful for this beautiful day, and I'm grateful to wake up healthy, safe, and sound. Relax your hands. Take your time to come back to the practice, to the mat. Lovely. Let's start by lying down today. So, lying down on the mat, relax your shoulders and chest. Try to drop your feet, keeping it bent, and slowly bring both the knees to the chest. Just stay here. Allow your spine to surrender to the mat. Find yourself feeling comfortable and relaxed in your lower back as you stay here. Slowly bring your knees closer and circle your knees. Your hands are not involved. You can drop your hands down and just circle your knees. Beautiful. Reverse the direction. Slowly give a good nice hug to your knees. Cradle it to the left and right. Slowly keep the left knee to your chest, straighten the right leg. From here, switch, keep the right knee to your chest and straighten the left leg. Shoulders are relaxed, chest relaxed, chin down. Slowly release the legs, both the legs straight. From here, lift up your left leg straight up. Pull the toes towards you, flex it as much as you can, and slowly release. Take your right leg straight up, flex it, and release. We continue doing this. For the ones who want to add up a little bit, you will try not to let the other leg touch the floor. Remember, this practice is for you, so just be more considerate to yourself and gradually let yourself dive into this journey. So gradually progressing from where you are. Just try to continue. Stay at it. You're doing amazing. Keep the lower back on the floor at all times. And hug the knees to the chest. Good job. That was amazing. From your knees bend, take your right heel on the left thigh, right ankle actually, and just push the knees away and towards. Away. Use your right thigh to push that thigh away. Use your right hand to push it. Now drop your hands down and cradle this left and right to just let the hip socket feel welcomed. Yes. From here, slowly you'll take your hands through, right hand from inside, left hand from outside, and allow yourself to just bring the knees closer to the chest as much as your body can. Shoulders relax, body relaxed. Slowly release. Switching sides, take your left ankle on your right thigh, pushing out the thigh from the palms. Out. Push out. Lovely. If you're doing this practice in the start of the day, this is the most considerate and gentle you can be to yourself because your hips really deserve it. Now we cradle just the left to right movement. I also like to push my ankle on the right thigh so that I get that extra feel on my hip socket. I'm going to take my left hand from inside, right from the out. Pull it through and breathe. Shoulders relax, chest and chin relax. Slowly release. Coming back, dropping just the distance between, hip width distance between the legs, and dropping both the knees on the right side and come up to the left. Just windshield wipers, but lying down. Slowly stay here. Press your palms down. Inhale and lift your hips up. Push the shoulder down. Exhale, slowly release. Inhale, lift up. Squeeze the glutes. Press the palms down. Press the heel down. And slowly release. Inhale, lift up the hips. You can choose to stay here if this is comfortable for you. Take your right leg up. Hold it here. Squeeze the glutes and lift up the hips. As high as you can for 5 pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch legs. You can choose to stay here only. This is just to add a little bit. Lift up, squeeze the glutes, lift up for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Keep the hips high. Another 5 counts. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, squeeze the glutes, drill the heel down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae. Release the spine onto the mat. Beautiful. Bring the knees to chest. This time I'm gonna grab under the knee, interlock my fingers or grab my wrist, take the head to the knees. As I stay here, I'm gonna pull the knee away from my chest. Pull the knee away from my chest, and I'm going to pull my spine back to the mat. So it's going in two different directions. So if you're here, I'm just trying to push the knee away and chest away. So I feel a good stretch on my between the shoulder blades. Stay, breathe. Slowly release. Close your eyes, just breathe. Keep your both hands on the navel. From here, turn to your side and push yourself up to seat. Take your time, no need to rush. We'll take our right hand in Vishnu Mudra, left hand in Chin Mudra. So you'll take your right thumb and do not deviate your nostril, just press it. We'll do alternate nostril breathing, elbows relax. Inhale from the left, switch and exhale from the right. Inhale from the right, switch and exhale from the left. Inhale left, switch, exhale from the right. Inhale right, switch, exhale left. Inhale left, switch, exhale right. Inhale right, switch, exhale left. Inhale left, switch, exhale right. Inhale right, switch, exhale left. Relax your palms back onto your lap. Stay here with yourself without any movements or adjustment. Join your palms at heart center. Sharing gratitude towards this beautiful practice. Gratitude towards yourself for showing up. I'm grateful to be healthy, safe, and sound. I'm grateful for every opportunity that is around me. I'm grateful and I'm ready to seize the world. I am exactly where I am supposed to be. I love myself and I forgive myself. One gentle bow down to the Mother Earth to this beautiful practice. Slowly releasing the head, releasing the hands. Take your time to open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I'll see you in tomorrow's practice.